We are located in Pacific Highlands Ranch, and I'm going to show you this beautiful property today. It's located in Polomar, which is a gated community. As you can see, it's very quiet, and this is a single level home. So I'm excited to show it to you. Let's go check it out. So as you guys know, I always like to show you the street. So this is a very quiet neighborhood tucked away in Pacific Highlands Ranch, which is in Carmel Valley, very close to Del Mar, Rancho Santa Fe, some of the best schools in San Diego, actually in the country. And this one is a beauty that just came to the market, asking just under 5. And the first area I'm gonna show you is right here, which is technically an attached ADU. So if you have family, friends that want to stay at your home, but you don't want them to be too close to you, or you have a teenager that want their own space, this is perfect. The house is 4 bedrooms, 5 baths, plus this beautiful ADU. That's plenty of space, has a closet right here. And funny enough, they are selling this house to move to Temecula. So completely different than what you would expect. You have this large shower right here. And as you guys know, I live in Pacific Highlands Ranch, so I think personally this is one of the best areas to live, especially if you have kids. They have multiple rec centers that are included in the HOA. One of them is pretty much brand new, and this whole community was built by Toll Brothers not too long ago. So this is like one of the newer ones for sale in this community. This one is single level too, which is really nice. So as you can see, we have the first bathroom. Then you also have a bedroom on your left side as soon as you walk in. Pretty spacious. I love the fact that it's just a 1 level home and it's almost 5,000 square feet. So pretty big, especially for a family of 4, 5, or even 6. You can entertain, you can host, no problem at all. And this right here is the master. So plenty of space. HOA is about $250 a month. You are connected to some of the best schools in San Diego. You have CCA, you have Torrey Pines. You are about 3 to 4 minutes away from Del Mar. And this is pretty much a new construction home. And we have plenty of off-market homes in Carmel Valley, San Diego. And since I live in PHR, I'm happy to share with you my off-markets, because I know a lot of sellers here and a lot of times they want to do a deal off-market. So if you are looking to buy or sell, feel free to reach out to me. I'm going to leave all my information down below. But this right here is your primary master, as you can say, very large. I love the fact that you can look at the backyard. You have sun for days here. It's very bright. You can see the kids running around, and for privacy you can put those shades down if you wanted to. Just plenty of space. Single level. I just love it. No stairs. And the kitchen is pretty large too. So we'll share one at a time, but for example right here, this is how it is open, which is amazing. 16 feet ceilings, large island. I mean, look at this. Beautiful. Very white, clean, large fridge, walk-in pantry. Very bright. And you have this sauna right here, which is pretty cool. If I lived here, I would put a cold plunge right here and the sauna would stay. But this is your backyard, which has some privacy, but also it's great to entertain because you have the shaded area. If you want to have breakfast here, lunch, dinner, you can totally do it. But also you have privacy coming in, so it's really nice. You have the grass. This is not turf, this is real grass. Very, very quiet. I mean, this is one of the nicest communities. If you want privacy, you want to be tucked away from everything, but close enough to have some of the best schools, be close to your friends, whether they're in Rancho, Palomar, shopping wise. This is one of the best communities, hands down. And that's coming from a 25-year-old guy. So let's go check out the rest of the home because we have a few more bedrooms I need to show you. But this is pretty much what the backyard looks like. Not too much maintenance. And as you can see, very, very quiet. So we have another laundry room, which looks like they took out the washer and dryer. Interesting. So this is the office that he used. Very nice. Right here, you have a beautiful agent. His name is Alex. And then the garage is right here. And I believe this is a 2-car garage. Yeah, so it's dark, but it's a 2-car garage. And most of these homes have water filtration. So I believe that's the one right there. Oh, it's a 3-car garage actually. So plenty of space here. 2-car plus some storage. Then you have more space here in the office. This is the 4th bedroom. So that was the property tour here in Polomar, the gated community, one of my favorite communities here in sunny San Diego. If you are looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, my name is Alex Trubnikov, and I am the best real estate agent here in sunny San Diego. Feel free to contact me. I have all my information in the description down below. My phone, email, feel free to contact me. And until then, до свидания.